Hello friends, welcome back to Success Seeker. Friends, today in this video I will be doing math mock test. It will cover 10 questions of 10 different chapters. So this video will be most helpful for your upcoming examinations, especially. So without wasting any more time, let's start. Number 1 question is from partnership. A invested rupees 6,000 for 6 months and B rupees 5,000 for X month in a business. If the profit of A and B be equal, find the value of X. Today most of the questions are from wbcs means examinations. So in this question, what will be the answer? Here options are given: 10 months, 8 months, 6 months and 7 months. So for partnership, you have to keep in mind the formula for it, that is capital into time. Capital means the investment into time is the total profit. So this is the formula. Here it is given for A invest rupees 6,000 for 5 months and B 5,000 for X month. So you have to consider, here it is given if the profit of A and B be equal. So profit of A equals to profit of B. So profit of A is 6,000 into 5, which is equals to 5,000 into X. So if you cut 3 zeros from both side and 5 if you cut it, so X will be 6 month. So this is the answer. So option C is the right answer here. This was from partnership. Next question. Next question, here it is given 10 men can do a piece of work in 18 days. In how many days 12 men can do it? Options are 12 days, B 15 days, C 10 days and D 16 days. So this is a question of time and work. So you know that for time and work, formula is M1 D1 T1 W2, that is work for second person, is M2 D2 T2 W1 for work for the first person. Here the work only changes. Here you need M1 D1, which is equals to M2 D2. So M here it is given 10 and D is 18 and M2 here it is given 12 and D2 is X. So X will be 10 into 18 divided by 12. 2 5 is 10, 2 6 is 12, 6 3 is 18. So X will be 5 3 is 15. So 15 days. This is the answer. Option B is the right answer. So this was the question for time and work. Next question. By what number must 192 be multiplied so that the product may be a perfect square? Options are A 5, B 4, C 3 and D 2. So by what number 192 be multiplied? So for multiplication, to make it a perfect square, for multiplication you can take LCM. 2 9 is 18, 2 6 is 12, 2 4 is 8, 2 8 is 16, 2 2 is 4, 2 4 is 8, 2 1 is 2, 2 2 is 4, 2 6 is 12, 2 3 is 6. So here squares are 2 squares, 2 squares, 2 squares and 3 here it is 1. So you need to multiply it with 3 to get a perfect square. So here the answer will be option C. Next question. A contractor undertook to finish a road 12 km long in 350 days. But after employing 45 men for 200 days, he found that only 4 kilometers of the road has been built. How many additional men must be engaged to finish the work in a given time? Option 10 men, 80 men, 75 men and 85 men. So here it is given, contractor undertook to finish the work in 12 days long in 355 days. But after employing 45 men for 200 days, he found that only 4 km of the road had been built. So here you have to minus 12 from 4. 8 km it is completed by 350 kilometers minus 200 is 150 days. So here days are given 350, remaining days 150, and we know the formula m1 d1 w2 equals to m2 d2 w1. So here main will be 45 days 200 for first case, w2 is 8 remaining days for second case. You have to find m2, remaining days are 150 and work completed by first was 4. So here from this you can get m2, cancel 0 and 0, 4 2s are 8, 15 3s are 45. So m2 will be 120. So m2 will be 120. So required number of men will be 120 minus 45, that is 75 men. Since 45 have already been employed, so you have to deduct from 120. So this will be 75 men, and the answer will be option C. So this was the solution for this question. I hope you have all understood it. Next question. Next is a simplification. I hope this will be done by all those who are seeing my video or those who will see it later on. You must solve each and every question. So here it is given, root 300 minus root 45 plus root of 125 minus root of 108 minus root of 20 minus root of 48. This is 45 and this is 125. So what all you can do? 300 you can write it 100 into 3 minus 45 you can write 9 5 is a 45 plus 125 you can write 25 into 5. 108 you can write 36 into 3. You see always how you can make the square root. For 20 you can write 4 into 5 minus 48 you can write root 16 into 3 is 48. For 100 square root is 10 root 3. Root 9 is 3 root 5 plus 25 is 5 root 5 minus 36 is 6 root 3 minus 2 root 5, that is 4, minus 4 root 3. So if you see minus root 3 root 5 and 2 root 5. So 3 plus 2 is 5. So 5 root 5 and plus 5 root 5 gets cancelled. Here 6 and 4 is 10 root 3. 10 root 3 gets cancelled. So answer will be 0. This is the answer. So option B is the right answer here. Hope all you have done this question or solved it. Next question. Number 6. In a joint business, the capital of P, Q and R are in the ratio 1:4, 1:3 and 1:2. At the end of the year, they make a profit of 3,900. Find how much of the profit R will get. So this is the question of ratio and proportion. So here it is, ratio given for capital ratio is for PQR. For PQR it is given 1:4, 1:3 and 1:2. So if you take the LCM, it will be 12 common for all. So the ratio will be 3, 4 and 6. This is the ratio of PQ and R. This is the capital ratio. Total profit here it is given 3,900. 3,900. Find how much of the profit R will get. So for R, this 6, it is 6. So profit of R will be 6 divided by 3 plus 4 plus 6. That is 6 by 13 into how much? Total profit 3,900. 13 3 is a 3900. So it will be 1,800. For R it will be 1,800. Here the option are not given. Here the answer will be 1,800. Hope you have all done the question. Move to next question. Sorry, but here the options are not given. No problem, you can solve it and I will give you the answer. Next question. 1,200 boys and 600 girls are examined in a test. 42% of the boys and 30% of the girls are passed. Find the percentage of those who fail. So you have to find the percentage of failure. So here number of boys, here it is given 1,200. Number of girls, it is given 600. So total it is 1,800. Total student is 1,800. So failure will be 58% of boys, total boys, plus 70% of girls. Since you have here the pass percent is given 30% of the girls and 42% of the boys, so you have to take the remaining part. So 58% of the boys is 58 divided by 100 into total boys is 1,200 plus 70% of the girls is 600. So if you cut 0 0 0 0 0 0, so this will be 696 plus 420. It will be 1116. 1116. And the percentage will be, here it is asking the percentage of those who failed. So 1116 divided by 1800 into 100. It will come around, if you cut this, it will come around 62%. This is the answer. Next question. If the ratio of cost price and selling price is 25:26, then what is the percentage of profit? Here the cost price and selling price is given 25:26. So we know that profit percent is equals to profit divided by CP into 100. So profit is selling SP minus CP divided by CP into 100. SP here it is 26 minus 25 divided by CP is 25 into 100. 1 divided by 25 into 100, it will be 4%. Answer will be 4%. Profit percent will be 4. Hope you have all solved this question. It was a very easy question. Next, P's age was 3/4 of Q's and R's age is 1/2 of Q's age. If the age of R is 30 years, find the age of P. So here, if you see, R age is given 30 years and P is given 3/4 of Q. This is, you can take first equation. For R it is 3/2 of Q. This is second. So R it is given 30, so put here 30 in second equation. 3/2 Q, so Q will be 3 10 30, so Q will be 20 years. Put this Q in equation 1, so P will be 3/4 into 20. 4 5s are 20, 5 3s are 15, so P will be 15 years. So P's age is 15 years. Next question, and this is the last question for today. The ratio of two numbers is 3:4 and the LCM is 180. Find the numbers. So this is very easy question. The two number is given, so take it common as x, 3 and 4x. LCM is given 180. So we know that then multiplication of two numbers equals to LCM into SCM. Here SCM is 1, so 3x into 4x equals to 180. So 12x equals to 180, here x will be 15. So numbers will be 3 into 15 and 4 into 15. 45 and 60 is the number and in the answer. So this was 10 questions covering 10 chapters. Hope you have practiced all the 10 questions with me and you have liked it. Next, I will be bringing more chapters, mock test, maths, and of course I will be covering reasoning and other parts also. So if you have liked and you want to support me, kindly subscribe and like and for the next video. Thank you.